So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm Kolinsky, and in this video I'm going to work again with Modelones. Yes you guys, I want to thank them once again for working with me in this video. I really appreciate all their products that they have sent to me. So in this video I'm going to do a butterfly, pink, crystal, everything inspired nails. I'm going to apply some iridescent butterflies and also some rhinestones. We are going to make this beautiful. It's her birthday, so we are going to do a birthday set once again. But I got my clients, so I always do pretty sets for their birthdays. I always do pretty nails, but for their birthdays I want to excite them. So yeah, you guys, and before you go ahead and watch this video, go on my social media accounts, my Instagram, my Facebook, my TikTok, everything. I'll put it here. I have also a coupon code for you guys from Modelones, somewhere here in the screen, so you can go ahead and save some coins and then come back and watch this video. So in this video I'm going to use this beautiful Kolinsky brush from Modelones. This is a number 14. I'm so excited to try this out in this video. I have pinched my brush. The only thing that I've done is I've wet it with my monomer and just press it like this. And these are the products that I'm going to use in this video, the glitters. But I will put everything that I've used from Modelones in this video in the description box below, and also the coupon code, so you can go ahead and save some coins. And I've already got the old acrylic off. I've prepped the nails, and now I'm going to apply a thin layer of the clear acrylic of Modelones. And I do this to prevent any lifting or any staining of glitters or any staining from the acrylic color. And also when you're going to do a refill next time, it's very easy to get the old acrylic off and not damage the natural nail, so you don't have to file on the natural nail to get the old color or glitter off. So that's what I'm going to do on all the 10 nails. Okay, so on the pinky I'm going to apply this glitter. This is number 23, but I will also put the link for you guys in the description box below of this glitter. I'm applying that on this pinky because after applying the acrylic, I will be applying some crystals over the nail, some pixie crystals, and that's what I'm doing on the pinky. And on the other nails I will be applying a nude color from Modelones. It's not actually a nude color, I think it's more a light pink with some sparkle in it. I don't think you can really see it in this footage, but in the nude color from Modelones, it's like a shimmery, glittery, sparkly acrylic powder, but it's more light pink than nude, I think. And now I'm encapsulating the nail with some clear acrylic. So this is the nude from Modelones. I'm applying that on the ring finger. Basically I'm going to apply this color on the rest of the nails, but on this finger and on the thumb I'm going to apply it and also encapsulate it with clear acrylic. but on the middle finger and on the index finger I'm going to apply the butterflies, so I will not encapsulate it with clear acrylic. I'm going to apply a thin layer of this nude on the middle finger and the index finger, let it dry, and then I'm going to apply the butterflies and then encapsulate it with clear acrylic, but you will see that in a minute. So as you can see, I'm not going to encapsulate this nail. I'm going to do that also on the index finger, and when I'm going to the thumb I will encapsulate it, because we're not going to encapsulate anything on those nails. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. So yeah, you guys, these are the butterflies that I'm going to use. I will see if I can find the link for you guys, and I will put it down in the description box below for you. And I'm just going to place them on the nail. Make sure it's flat. You have to press it really properly so it's flat and don't have any bubbles. You will get some bubbles, but avoid to have too much bubbles because the stickers are flat and you are going to apply them obviously on a curvy nail, so you will get some bubbles here and there, but make it work and apply it as neat as you can. And when you're done applying it and you're happy with the placement, go ahead and encapsulate the butterfly. So now I'm going to encapsulate with some clear acrylic, and that's also what I'm going to do on the index finger. So this is how the nails look after application, and next I'm using my medium grit bit to file down and smooth down the nails and also shape them a little bit. I will put the link of the video on how I use my e-file and how I use my bits in the description box below, so you can go ahead and also check that video out. Hey babes, if you're still here watching with me, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate every one of you guys. Thank you once again for supporting my channel. And if you're still here watching, let me know in the comments below by commenting a nail emoji, and also go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're still watching but you're not subscribed yet. Subscribe to my channel, turn the post notification bell on, so when I post the next video you're the first one to know. And yeah, and the word that I'm going to teach you guys today from my language papiamento will be ros, and ros means pink. So next I'm using my tapered bit to get into the cuticle area, and when I'm done doing this, I'm going ahead with my hand file to perfect the shape. So this is how the nails look after filing, buffing, and cleaning the nails. And next I'm going to use these rhinestones pixies from Modelones. I will also put the link for you guys in the description box below, obviously. And now I'm going to use the gel bottle clear rubber gel top coat to apply these stones, because I just love this gel to apply sparkles or when I'm going to do a sugar effect with glitters, or when I'm going to apply some Swarovski crystals. I just love this, and I'm just sprinkling the pixies over the gel and apply just some at the edge where I think that I just need some more, and just apply some more sparkles or pixies I mean, and just place them where I would like them to be. And also, you guys, apply a thicker layer of the gel than you normally would, so the gel can like hug the crystals, and not that the crystals are going to go on the gel top coat, but you want the gel to hug that. And now I'm going to flash cure it with the Modelones UV lamp, UV LED lamp. And when I'm done doing that, I'm going to apply some gel top coat on the rest of the nails, the top coat from Modelones. I will also put the link for you guys in the description box below. I got this top coat in a box of polygel, a polygel kit, so I will put that link for you guys in the description box below. I've cured the nails again, applied some cuticle oil, and this is the final result, you guys. So pretty. I'm just in love with this set. It's a simple color. It's also a simple set to do for beginners. So yeah, you guys, let me know what you think of this set in the description box below. So yeah, you guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you watching. If you're watching and you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the post notification bell so you're the first one to know when I post the next time. And share this video with everybody whose birthday is coming up. Share this video, you know. Everybody who loves pink, everybody who loves rhinestones, everybody who loves butterflies, share this video with them. Alright? Thank you so much, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.